TaskRabbit can match you with customers as soon as your profile is active in an eligible market, while Thumbtack usually requires you to compete for leads by sending quotes or responding to customer requests. That difference is the biggest factor in how quickly most new service providers get booked. By the end of this video, you'll know which platform is generally faster for getting your first customer, how each booking system works, and which one fits the type of work you want to do in 2026. Here's the direct answer. If TaskRabbit is available in your city and your service category has strong demand, it's often the faster platform for getting booked because customers can hire direct at place. Thumbtack can also generate work quickly, but your success depends more on how competitive your profile is and how effectively you respond to leads. Here's how TaskRabbit works. You create a profile, choose the services you offer, set your availability and pricing, and complete the onboarding process. Once your account is active, customers searching for those services can book you directly. Common categories include furniture assembly, moving help, mounting, cleaning, and home repairs. Your visibility depends on factors like availability, reviews, pricing, and demand in your area. Thumbtack uses a different approach. Customers describe the job they need, and professionals respond or receive leads that match their services. In many categories, you're competing with several other providers for the same customer. That means your profile, response speed, pricing, and reviews all influence whether you win the job. The biggest mistake new users make is assuming every lead becomes a booking. It doesn't. On both platforms, customers compare multiple providers before making a decision. A complete profile with clear photos, detailed service descriptions, and competitive pricing usually performs much better than a basic profile with little information. Take Alex as an example. He signs up on TaskRabbit to assemble furniture. After completing his profile and setting his schedule, customers can book him directly when they're looking for someone available. John joins Thumbtack as a handyman. He receives job opportunities, but needs to respond quickly with a professional quote before the customer chooses someone else. Both platforms can produce steady work, but the path to getting hired is different. Your local market matters just as much as the platform. A city with strong demand for movers or furniture assembly may generate frequent TaskRabbit bookings. An area where homeowners regularly search for contractors may produce more Thumbtack opportunities. Before committing to one platform, check whether your service category is active where you live. The key points are simple. TaskRabbit often gets providers booked faster because customers can hire directly after finding your profile. Thumbtack gives you access to a wide range of local jobs, but you'll usually compete for each opportunity. Build a complete profile, respond quickly, and collect positive reviews as early as possible. If this comparison helped you choose between the two, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other side hustle comparisons.